Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we learn 1, 2, 3 countings. So we have so many colors. Colors name: pink color, neon color or light yellow color, orange color, red color, sky blue color, brown color, black color, blue color. So let's start kids. Color. One. O-N-E, one. Two. T-W-O, two. Three. T-H-R-E-E, three. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Six. S-I-X, six. Pink color. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Nine. N-I-N-E, nine. Ten. T-E-N, ten. Eleven. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. 13. Color. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N, 13. 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N, 14. 15. F-I-V-T-E-E-N, 15. At last, cute smiley for happy kids. So kids, what we learned today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And cute smiley for happy kids. So kids, hope you like my video. Please don't forget subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, bye.